learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Yo everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. It's time to teach you everyday practical Hakka. And you know, one of the best things in life is making friends. 我觉得人生里面的除了家人很重要之外还有就是朋友。
对，要交朋友。
That's right. You have to make friends first, right? 好，我们来教教大家怎么说。
搞朋友。
搞朋友？要搞朋友啊？
不是啦，
要搞朋友，搞朋友。
交朋友。
Oh, you got to be very careful in Hakka. It actually sounds like I'm gonna make fun or I'm gonna fool around and play around with my friend, but it really means making friends. 交朋友，搞朋友。I love making friends. 我喜欢交朋友。
爱好搞朋友。
爱好搞朋友。
OK， 那交朋友的海陆腔。搞朋友。
搞朋友，不要告他了。刚刚是在搞，现在要告了。好奇怪的交朋友方式哦 ，Alice。
那赶快我们来找位好朋友吧。
好，对对对，朋友交久了就会变好朋友。You're gonna become best of friends, right? Your best friend， 好朋友。
好朋友。
好朋友。I have a lot of good friends. 我有很多好朋友。
我有很多好朋友。
我有很多好朋友。That means I have a lot of good friends. Then there are closer friends than that. 有些朋友呢会变得非常的亲密哦。那就是变成是男朋友跟女朋友了，对不对？异性朋友的时候就是这样子了啊。先交男朋友。
男朋友。
男朋友。All right, that's boyfriend. And then 女朋友 girlfriend.
朋友。
Okay, is for girls and 男 is for guys. All right, 你有男朋友吗？
你有男朋友吗？
你有男朋友吗？Okay, that means do you have a boyfriend?
那换我问你，你有朋友吗？
Do you have a girlfriend instead? 你有朋友吗？ Okay, that means do you have a girlfriend? 这句话我是不会去问的。
不愿意回答。好，没关系。现在很多人都有网络朋友啊。
对，网友。
对。
That's a good point. Aside from just ordinary friends, some people make friends online, and you have internet friends. 有网友。
网络朋友。
网络朋友。That means net friends or internet friends. 其实真的就是网络朋友的意思。
对啊。
那我们问一句话：你见过你网络的朋友吗？
你见过网络朋友吗？
你见过网络朋友吗？
Yeah.
That means have you seen your internet friends? There you have it. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.